In this video, I'm going to show you how to start trade crypto on Weex. From register your account, get your bonuses, and start trading by yourself. And Weex is a very fast growing crypto exchange with over 6 million users. And they are listing coins very fast with over 1000 Bitcoin in a protection fund. So the first step is to create your account. So if you click on the first link down below, you will get over here, and here you can claim 20% bonus available on your deposit. And you can also secure your account, link phone number and email to get 10 to 100 coupon, and also up to 800 USDT futures bonus. And you can also complete futures trading tasks to earn up to 27,900 in USDT rewards here. So you can click on sign up. And when you get over here, you can type in your email address, for example, Crypto Elias. You can click on sign up and claim your rewards, and I am not a robot. And after that, you can type in your email verification code, and then you can set your password. And once you have done that, you can click on the next, and then your account should be created. And now we can see that we can, once we have linked our phone number, we will be able to claim the bonus here. And then once we have done the requirements here, we'll be able to unlock these bonuses also, and also over here. So we can always go back to this page to see our progress. So once you have successfully created your account, you can go over to security and verification. So you can click over there, and here we can go to identity verification if we want to complete KYC. We can trade without KYC, however we can always add KYC if we want to do so. And then we can also enable two-factor authentication here on security, so we can link a phone number, Google Authenticator code, fund code to factor authentication to secure our account. And once you have secured your account, you can go over to deposit, and here you can choose I have crypto on chain deposits, for example, if you have crypto on another wallet, or P2P trading, or quick buy if you want to buy with a card, Apple Pay, etc. But I'm going to choose on chain deposit, and then I'm going to choose USDT, and then Tron for lower fees, TRC20. And then I can click here on get deposit address. And then I will be able here with my phone to scan the QR code here to get the deposit address. And then I will be able to deposit funds into Weex. And it's very important to choose the right network. So now we have successfully deposited funds into Weex. So now we can go over the trading interface. So first of all, they have buy crypto, then they have markets, futures, spot, copy trade with launch promotions, and so many more interesting things. So first of all, we had the buy crypto if you want to buy with the card here, for example. And then we also have P2P trading. So here you can complete P2P trades and buy crypto with zero fees. And then we have markets. And then we have markets. So here we can see hot coins, gainers, listings, and so many more things here. And find the new coins. And also see the price of Bitcoin, for example, Ethereum. And then we have futures. We have used the TM futures, demo trading, about futures, and leaderboard. And if you are new to trading, I would recommend demo trading so you don't trade with your own funds. But here we have futures. So if we go over there, we will have our chart here. So we can do our charting and also the order book. And here we have limit and market order. And the market order is basically that you can buy at the best current market price. And limit is that you can choose at what price you want to buy at. And here you will have your positions, copy trades, open orders, order history, position history, order details, transaction history, and your available balance here, for example, account balance, futures, bonuses. And here you can type in the amount in USDT or Bitcoin, for example, the underlying asset. And to start trade, because currently we have zero in our account balance, but we have deposited. So what we need to do is that we go to our profile again, and then we go to transfer, and they have different accounts. So we have futures account, spot account, and funding account. And now we are going to choose funding here, where we deposited our funds, and then to futures account where we are going to trade. And as you can see right here, USDT available, we deposited $100, and then we can click on all and click on confirm. And once we have done that, we can go over to futures again, and then we will have available balance 100 USDT, as you can see over there. So if I, for example, want to open up a trade on a Bitcoin, if I, for example, want to go long here, I can choose market or limit order, and I can choose my leverage also. And they have up to 400x leverage, and that's of course nothing I recommend. I personally do up to 20x maximum. And we also have cross combined here, so we can do isolated or cross margin. And cross is basically that our entire trading account balance are at risk, so the entire account balance are the margin, while on isolated we only risk the money that we put into the trade. So I'm going to do isolated here, and so now with market we are paying higher fees, but I just want to get into the trade to show you how it works. So if we do a position 950 USDT, and then of course we can choose our leverage here, so we go for 10 here and then confirm, and then 950 position here and then open long. So now we have our position here, Bitcoin USDT isolated combined 10x leverage, and here we can also adjust the leverage and we can see our amount here. So if I remove the face cam here, so we have the amount, realized profit and losses, margin here, we can also add margin if we want to do so, or reduce margin. And then we have the entry price 108,931, and then the current mark price, the lick price, the unrealized profit and losses, the ROI, margin ratio, and here we can add position stop loss and take profit if we want to do so. Here we can set the take profit price and the stop loss price. So if I, for example, now we are actually pumping on the lower time frames here, so we are 1.45% in profits, and we can also add position, take profit and stop loss, and take profit and stop loss. So if I, for example, want to add take profit at let's say 109,300, I can see that then we'll make 3% in profits and around 3 USDT. So I can click on confirm, and then as you can see 109,300. And if you want to close our position, we can click on close, flash close, reverse, and take profit and stop loss. And that's the futures, and here we can choose our coins, for example Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, or other pairs. And here we can also do our charting. If we want to do our TA, we can draw trend lines. We have all our tools that we need to start trade on Weex. And we can keep this position open to see if we can hit our take profit. And once we wait for that, we can go over to demo trading. So here we can trade with the exchange money, so not our own funds. So then we will receive a balance here to start trade. And then we have about futures and then leaderboard. And then we also have the spot feature. So here you can buy coins on spot. So we can select the spot pair. And here we can do limit and market order, buy or sell Bitcoin. We have the order book, market trades, the charting here, the price, the change, and so many more interesting things. We have the open orders, order history, order details, assets, our assets that we currently have. So here you can do spot trading over on Weex. And then we also have a copy trading, and this feature is getting more and more popular. So here we can see our margin used in copy trades, our copy trading net profit, and here we can choose the highest copy trading profit and losses. So if we want to copy a specific trader here, we can click on copy, and what we can look for here is separate or uniform here, or trading pairs that we want this person to trade, and also the margin mode and the amount that we want to put in. And if we go to advanced, we can also add stop loss and slippage ratio, and then we can click next and follow the instructions and start trade, or actually start copy trade. Then we can start copy trade if we click on next and follow the instructions. And here we also have a tutorial if you want to watch that. And then they also have WeLaunch here. So hold WXT to get free airdrops every week. So we can buy WXT, which is the Weex token, and then we can get these airdrops. And here we can see ongoing, upcoming, and ended, and so many more. And then we also have promotions, so hot token airdrop, deposit and trade to earn, 402 weeks, token rush, meme week, hot token week, news rewards, copy trade, win Halloween, VIP fest, and share $100,000. And they also have futures trading competitions and so many more things here on Weex. So I really recommend Weex, and links will be down below if you want to start trade over on on Weex if you're trading Bitcoin or altcoins and want a reliable exchange. And Weex is also listing coins very, very fast, so that's also very, very good. And if we go over to futures again, we'll be able to see our position here, how we are currently doing, if Bitcoin is pumping here. So we are currently at a small profit. So if I want to close this position and not wait for my take profit, I can click on flash close there, and then my position will be closed, and we made a very, very small profit. And once you have closed your trade, you can go to position history if you want to do that. Also transaction history. And then we can go to promotions here. And then we can go to hot token airdrop. So here we have trending coin airdrops. So here we can see the average rewards, total price pool, deposit and trade to earn. And if we go over here to promotions, we can see airdrops, ecosystem, trade to earn, and so many more things here. And that was everything for today's video. So now you should know everything you need to start trade on Weex. And if you haven't already, use the link down below to register and claim your bonuses. And if you find this video interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We are doing daily crypto content, and see you in the next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.